and welcome to this International Children's Week webinar series under the Global Development Dialogue con- conceptualized conceptualized by Honorable MP Sri Sujit Kumar, who actually thought that if we can celebrate this idea of children for a week-long period of discussion, debate, and discourse, we can reach out to many more people who are doing exceptionally brilliant work, both in the government and the private and the non-profit sector, which is NGO, and in academia. So we are thankful that we have partners like Kaling Kusum Foundation, which is a partner of UNICEF in different children projects. And we have partners Sri Sri University and Xavier University as well, who have extended their kind support in academic and knowledge partnership. So this week is coming to an end, and today is World Children's Day. Everyone who has been here have been very, very busy today, and especially I would like to thank from heart for Pritikant Panda sir, who chose to come here despite having a very, very busy schedule throughout the day. So today our discussion theme topic is child protection in Odisha, some stories from the ground. So Pritikant Panda sir has kindly agreed to um, uh, kind of give a introductory statement on that, and we will definitely go to other DCPOs who have come from different districts and understand challenges, opportunities, resilience, success stories, the way ahead in child protection. So thank you. I would like to thank you, Pratikant Panda sir, again, because very quick time you have been able to organize people to come and give this idea that we can come together and do this. So Manoj Kumar Tripathi sir has also joined. So several of your DCPOs who have already consented to speak, they have joined. Others have also come to share the dais and attend and listen to all of us. And if you know someone who has done brilliant work on the ground, despite challenges, please share those stories. We can listen to listen to them, maybe for 3 to 5 minutes. Language doesn't matter. If they speak in Odia, we can translate that into English. Doesn't matter, though it's a global dialogue which grows on Facebook, on the website, on the Facebook page of Honorable say MP Sir's Facebook page, and also on Kaling Kusum Foundation page. So Pritikan Panda sir, as I don't have a big role here, I will just introduce you and go ahead and leave that up to you, how you want to take this forward and what discussion we can do, and how we can take it forward, what are the challenges and opportunities. Before I introduce, I know Pritikant Panda sir, who I met him while I was working for Kaling Kusum, and I met him in Noyagarh collector's office. Hope you sir remember.
Yes, yes.
Yes. So, Pritikant Panda sir is alumni of Niswas, more than 12 years of experience in child protection, worked for Catalyst for Social Action as project manager, networking with networking with CCIs and advocacy for promotion of adoption, worked as a district child protection in Niagara district also, did the assignment of the first ever nodal officer piloting Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao in the state, foiled many child marriages and carried mass movements for protection of children and girls. Now leading state child protection societies program manager in child protection area for implementation of child protection services in the state. A motivational speaker, trainer, well-known humorous poet, columnist and TV anchor, invited by reputed institutions in and outside of Odisha to speak on several issues related to children, specifically on child protection. So, Pritikan sir, the floor is yours.
Thank you, Professor Das. My greetings to all of you. Honorable Member Rajya Sabha Sujit Kumar ji and team Kaling Kusum, my colleagues, and those who are present here and listening in alternative platforms on the matter of child rights. My greetings to all of you. So it is a matter of pleasure that persons like in a higher position and agencies engaged in different activities are celebrating the UNCRC. So today is the UNCRC Day and International Child Rights Day. As we all of us know that the United Nations Child Rights Convention declared the particular rights for children with a convention. And the major points are right to development, right to survive, right to development, and right to participation. And India, the Indian Republic also ratified to it. And we are committed to give these rights to children. So how to give it? To give the rights to children, and the acts and laws are amended. So as we know, very popularly, the Juvenile Justice Care and Protection of Children's Act, the last amended, repealed in 2015. It prescribes different programs and setups at the field level to reach out children. So in Odisha particularly, in comparison to the other federal structures, other states in the Indian Republic, Odisha is one of the pioneer. We proudly explain this. We have all set off in place. I repeat, we have all child protection structures in place in the state. So as I will explain in brief, at the state level to implement it, we have State Child Protection Society. It is like similar like State Child Protection Committees. It is headed by the chairperson of the chairperson is the principal secretary of the Department of Women and Child Development. We have district level child protection units having a bunch of professionals and coordinating different activities at the district level. We have we have quasi judicial structures like child welfare committees. In Odisha we have 31 child welfare committees, 30 for every 30 district, and additional one for Bhubaneswar city. And we have juvenile justice boards in 30 districts headed by the principal magistrate taking care of children in conflict with law, and the child welfare committees are taking care of children in need of care and protection. In recently we have initiated to set off additional juvenile justice boards, which is under process at the city of Bhubaneswar, Sambalpur, Raurkela, and Berhampur, looking into the case law. To implement the child protection activities and to have a community level intervention, we have formulated district level child protection committees headed by the Jila Parishad chairperson and co-chaired by the collectors. At the block level child protection committees headed by the chairperson of the Panchayat Samiti, and at the Gram Panchayat level child protection committees headed by the Sarpans. So we are under process to activate these committees so that we will reach to children in this process. Besides, Childline service is activated in all over the state. Wherever you go, Childline follows in the state. So these are the structures. All childcare institutions in the states are registered under the Juvenile Justice Act, and they are regulated and regularly monitored. District inspection committees headed by the additional district magistrates, they are visiting them in the every quarter. And the district level bodies and state level bodies, they are monitoring their activities, and there is a state inspection committee in compilation of different high level functionaries. And other programs are also there. As you know, the UN General Assembly recently have also highlighted to focus on the alternative care models for the children in need of care and protection. So in Odisha also we have piloted, we are in third place in the national level, placing children in adoption, which is the legal procedure for giving children a family. And we are also one of the pioneer in implementing the foster care activities. And it is in our culture and in our practice in the locality. The kinship care facility is also very much popular in the country, the Odisha, which Odisha is implementing. So these are the practice level. And as you know, during the last 7-8 years, the district child protection units particularly coordinated these activities into the field so that it has become a movement. If you take the case of rescuing children and producing them before the system, if you'll see that tracing the children, those who are left, and those who are the missing cases and other things, DCPUs are coordinating. Child marriage cases also DCPUs are intervening very actively. So in this procedure, the child welfare committees, which is regularly being changed in rotation basis, they are also playing a very major role. So I am happy to introduce Madam Rita Anjali Sahu, Chairperson Child Welfare Committee, Jajpur. She will explain about the activities undertaken by the child welfare committees. Child welfare, for the other people, those who are from the other sector, let me explain. The child welfare committee is a five personal bench headed by the chairperson of the child welfare committee. It is designated with the power of judicial magistrate first class in the case of rehabilitation of children in need of care and protection. They are sitting at the district level. They are provided with human resource and other office set of provisions by the government, and they are looking after all the child protection activities in the district level. So we are having with us the chairperson of Child Welfare Committee, Jajpur, Madam Sahu. Are you online? So I would like to request her to explain about their activities, what they are doing, and if they have any good practices, she can also explain. Over to Madam Rita Sahu.
Thank you, sir. Hello.
Please continue.
Well, good afternoon, everyone. I am happy to be a part of this program. I express my heartfelt gratitude to everyone who have organized this. I feel my privilege to speak before all the galaxy of intellectuals. Thank you, sir, for giving me this. I am Rita Behera, Child Welfare Committee, Jajpur Chairperson. For creating a safety net for children and to ensure an efficient juvenile justice system in the state of Odisha, OSCPS through Integrated Child Protection Scheme lays special emphasis upon the children at most difficult situations, such as child in need of care and protection and juvenile in contact with law. As our sir, Pritikam sir, has told everything, I would like to say this child welfare, how this child welfare committee is working. Am I audible to everyone, sir? Hello? Hello?
Yes, audible, madam. Go ahead.
Thank you, sir. As per Section 27 of the Juvenile Justice Care and Protection of Children Act 2015, the Child Welfare Committee has the authority to dispose of cases for the care, protection, treatment, development, and rehabilitation of the children in need of care and protection. As sir has said that we are having a very good structure in the all the districts. Yes, of course, in the Jajpur district, it's also there. We have a very good coordination with the DCPO, CTPO, CDPO, who are as well designated as the CMPO, Child Marriage Protection Officer, and the SJPU unit. We are having a good coordination with the DLSA also, which helps us to ensure the child protection. In our district, the PLCPC is also working. Of course, BLCPC is there, and it's on the way of complete procedure, of course. And it is the DLCPC meeting also are organized, where we look into the matter and the issues of the children, where they were, what all the problems they are facing, and what are extra monitoring they need to be done. We give a look into that matter. What are the problem arising over there in that particular area, and what are the how it can be sorted out. So we look into that. Actually, in our CWC, in all the CWC, in the district where there are, as sir told that 31 districts, 31 CWC has been formed, and some more CWC is also. Of course, we had a good coordination among the CWC members, other chairpersons also. They are working as well too. Of course, we haven't been a part of to share our experiences. We had our NLU training. They shared their experience, but we could have been to, if we have the opportunity to meet them in their own locality and how they are doing, that would have been a great work also. But still, through DCPO, we CWC from one district, we go to the other districts also, and we see how work they are doing and what more extra they can do. I would like to say in the CCIs, the staff of the CCI, they look into the matter, and when the things are to be, when they feel, they counsel the children to get back to the family, because the family is the best place for the child. So the CWC also counsels the child as well as the parents, and we ensure them to be safe, the child to be safe in the family. And they express us the what are the problems they need. If they need the financial assistance, of course, we write a letter to the DCPO to provide them sponsorship. In this way, we have rehabilitate some children in the family through the sponsorship schemes. And DCPOs are also there working for the some scheme, many schemes, aftercare, Vijay Suraksha Yojana, many yojanas are there for their security. I'd like to talk something about Nagda. Everyone might have definitely heard about the Nagda area. The worldwide news, Nagda, a burning spot where 19 children died due to malnutrition, acute malnutrition. 19 children died in the year of 2016. From 114 children, some nearby 52 children were found to be suffering from acute malnutrition. But now, I would like to thank the government. Of course, a few days back, 2-3 days back, our committee, CWC committee, we went for a visit over there, and we found a tremendous change over there. There was, in the year of 2016, it was not possible to reach there by any vehicle. But now we are able to reach the Uppar Nagda, the Moji Nagda, and the Talo Nagda. At all the spots we are able to reach. This is a transport method also. Now they are found, there is we found health department, educational department, electricity, water, everything has been reached over there. I really appreciate the government which has done the tremendous work in the Nagda area. And now, actually, in the 2016, we found not only the acute malnutrition, it was a problem of child labor, child marriage, and of course, many more illiteracy. But now it is a good thing with the help of DCPO also. CWC reached over there. Yeah, 1 year back. Many times we have reached, but every moment we had an intention with the talk with the children, people of the Nagda area. They told their problems, and the children actually they made a promise with the members and everyone in front of everyone that they will deny for child marriage. They themselves protested for child marriage, and we too ensured that we are there to make a safety net for them. There is many more schemes which can be provided to them. So it is a great success for the state, the district, as well as the state, that in the point of Nagda, we can say that now the child marriage, cases of child marriage, the cases of child labor, as well as malnutrition has very much decreased. So now one more thing I could like to say from CWC. Recently we called, we got an information from Balchandrapur area that abused. But what happened is, the child was, of course, from the SJPU, the police, they took the child, they gave them medical assistance. Then they brought for the, they informed the CWC. Then the procedure was being done. But what we found was the child was back to her family, and she was staying under a bridge, which was not actually safe for the child. So we wrote a letter to the police, the DCPO, as well as we gave the intimation to the collector that that place is not at all safe for the child, and it's there was many more chances for the child to be actually the life of the child was in danger. So immediately it's It's a good coordination that after with the coordination of district administration and police, they rescued the child, and now she is rehabilitated in a Swadhar home by the order of CWC. So here we are ensuring that a child should be given all sort of protection, so that the life also, and they are counseled for what more we can be, they can achieve for that. A child, as Sir Pritikan sir told, that a child has the right to survive, right to develop, right for protection, and right for participation. So here we all have to be proactive to make this, that the child is being protected. Of course, and also I could say that in our CWC and many more others, the CWC are also doing a tremendous job. They have told us that how they are protecting their sector. They are make sure that they are giving some opportunity for the children. Now, in the national levels, their programs are being done where the children are able to explore themselves in the field of sports, music, art, culture, national programs, and they have gone to the national level, Delhi level, and achieved so many more prizes over there. So we have to, of course, we all have to be. It's not a particular job of CWC or DCP or someone else, because the child is of completely of whole the nation, and we need to make sure that the child is being protected by all of us. Many more programs are there. Of course, CWC is doing. I will be remaining with a limited area of CWC. We make sure about the child's protection, the prevent, care and protection, and the disposal, how we can make the child to be with the family. So this was my time. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, Madam Sahu. So, friends, with us, we are also having Mr. Harihar Naik. He is ex-member of the Odisha State Commission for Protection of Child Rights. Odisha also we settled the Commission for Protection of Child Rights in the state. So, welcome, Mr. Harihar Naik. Welcome to this webinar. So, with us, we have on the DCPO Khordha also, Madam Banishri Patnaik, and she have interest in psychology. As you know, Bhubaneswar, it comes under the Khordha district, and they take lots of initiatives to address children in difficult circumstances and children in need. So I'd like to invite her, Madam.
Pritikan sir, before we go to the next DCPO, madam, so can we invite Harihar sir to share a few words if he's able to listen to us? Harihar sir, are you there?
Thank you,
Please.
Pritikan. Thank you very much, and thank you, Kamlakant Das, who has invited me today. Very shortly, I have got the information from Professor Kamlakant Das. I was actually out of my house. Just I reached. It's a very good program. I'm very happy, and I'm also give thanks to the organizer who has organized this such a wonderful program. Particularly in International Day, Child Rights Day 2020, and probably everybody knows that this year's theme was right to participation. It's a very short. I'm telling how the child will participate when decisions are taking on affecting their career, affecting their lives. This year's theme is Article 15. You know, UNCRC is the international instrument who speaks about the rights of children throughout the world. And India has one of the signatories who has signed the UN Convention in '92 and confirms that whatever the UNCRC says, our country will abide, and Odisha is one of the premier state as far as child protection is concerned. And previously, one of my chairperson and manager program state office has very nicely explained about the child protection issues. I will not go to that, but I will say two, three things which is very important on this occasion, because this week from 14th October to 20th October, we are celebrating International Child Rights Week. In this process, we are all those who are concerned about our children very much. We want that children should participate. This awareness, we should raise this awareness, particularly in the community, because if you look into the SDG, Sustainable Development Goal 2030, which India has already a target, child protection is a crucial area. We have to look into that. And in our state perspective, I can say we are much ahead, and 2-3 areas we need to concern. We need to develop a roadmap, particularly in this week, how will connect all the youth and community leaders, political leaders, many more, those who are concerned citizens of the country, how will bring the children to raise their voice, because this theme speaks about Article 15, raise awareness of needs, rights and achievement of children and youth, and encourage the community children's services, support group, schools, youth and community groups to plan and conduct events to celebrate childhood, particularly childhood, and highlight the issue involved in childhood and youth. Those who are achieved, like just before Chairperson Jajpur has highlighted how our children are achieved in the national level, how this message, how this case studies, best practices will go to the last child, so that the youth and the community should prepare our child to come out, to raise their voice, to when we are taking decision in their lives. So their participation should be, because the broad category of child rights reflected in the UNCRC, right to survival, right to protection, right to development, right to participation. I am not willing, sorry to say, right to participation, we are very much lacking. We need very much that our child should participate, because already our state government has started working into the panchayat level, where we have formed panchayat level child protection committee, where we have given a platform to our children, so they can say what is happening to their lives in the community, in the village level. So these are the things we are already marching. So we have to strengthen them. Then only when we will strengthen the grassroots level in the last child, then only we can achieve the what we need. Because always we think that is a child. Hello, anybody wants to?
Nothing. You
please continue. Yes.
continue, sir. Continue.
So this process has to be strengthened as far as child protection is concerned, because always we are thinking in the national perspective, these children are only marginalized groups or all very vulnerable groups. No, child protection issue, we will list it out. You cannot list it out. It's very long list. So we will not go to that. But we need to focus on child rights issue, particularly in protection issue, because when we are talking about the child rights participation, this means all children, regardless of if they are boys, girls, rich, poor, going to school or not going to school, working or not working. So they have special needs, or any child who has not reached age of 18 years, as per our juvenile justice says, and UNCRC's define the child age, like because in our country there are several laws are there who speaks about different age, but those who are working for the children, they should think that a child who is not age of 18 years, irrespective of their age or color, breed, caste. No, lot of special laws are also recently amended, like Juvenile Justice Act repealed in 2015, who is a very protective law, protective umbrella law, and robust law, who looks each and every aspect of the child. Like one of the preamble is a rehabilitation and social reintegration. How a child will be integrated in a mainstream in the society and make himself or herself a good citizen in the country. That's like, so these are the main themes of this today's celebration, I think. Moreover, the groups of those who are working for the cause of the children's, adults, you should act as a supporter of this child. Then only we can achieve the SDG. And Odisha government has a very proactively constituted state child protection structure in our state, from state to village panchayat level. A state level child protection committee, which Pritikant is heading that as a project manager in State Protection Society. And we have 30 DCPOs. They are tremendously working for the cause of the protection of children, because I have a very good experience with last 3 years to that I have came across with 30 day and night. Whenever a call is they're getting, they're responding to their child who need care and protection. Even children in conflict with law, in children convict of contact with law, victim of law also. So they are tremendously working. I congratulate them and I appreciate them, their work, and hope they will continue their work like this. And this year's theme, particularly, I'll appeal to all the child protection stakeholders. You can stakeholders, please look into the how the child will participate when we are taking it.
स्वतंत्र आईनगत अधिकार आसी पहुंचे।
Okay, thank you, Mr. Naik, for enlightening us from the experience, and for the greetings to our team. We believe in teamwork, and we have a very good team of professionals. So friends, as I explained before this speech, with us Madam Bani Sri Patnaik. She is the Child Protection Officer, Khordha. So Madam, are you there? Hello.
Pritikant sir, has Mandakini madam joined?
Yes, Mandakini Kaur, she joined.
Okay.
Should I invite her to speak?
Yes, please. Let's welcome her, and if she is able to, maybe a 2-minute message from her.
Sure. So, friends, we are having with us Madam Mandakini Kaur. For the last several years, she's working with children as a member of the State Commission for Protection of Child Rights. So she's visiting very regularly to the field. So we'll expect Madam Kaur to explain some case studies from the state also. So Madam Mandakini Kaur, over to you, please.
Some message on the day.
Yeah, please.
Thank you. Thanks to actually my health condition is not well, so just 3 points. ମୁଁ just 3ଟା points ରେ ମୋର ପିଲାଙ୍କ କଥା ସାରି
ଘର ଭିତରେ ବେଶୀ
हेलो
आज्ञा मंदाकिनी मैम ଆମେ ଶୁଣି ପାରୁଛୁ।
ସମସ୍ତେ ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି ଆମ ଷ୍ଟେଟ୍ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ସମସ୍ତେ ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି ଆମ ଷ୍ଟେଟ୍ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ବହୁତ ପ୍ରୋଆକ୍ଟିଭ ହେଇକିରି କାମ କରୁଛନ୍ତି, ଯେମିତି କି ଟୋଟାଲ 30ଟା ଡିଷ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ଟ CWC ମେମ୍ବର୍ସ, JJB ବୋର୍ଡସ୍, DCPO ୟୁନିଟ୍ ସମସ୍ତେ କାମ କରୁଛନ୍ତି। ଫେରେ ମାନେ ମେସେଜ ଆମ ପାଖକୁ ପହଞ୍ଚିବା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ସେମାନେ ଫିଲ୍ଡ ଭିଜିଟ କରିକି ତା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ମାନେ ପିଲାଙ୍କ ସେ ଭିକ୍ଟିମ କମ୍ପେନସେସନ ପାର୍ଟ ହଉ, ମେଡିକାଲ ଟ୍ରିଟମେଣ୍ଟ ହଉ, କିମ୍ବା ତାଙ୍କର ଏନି ଆସିଷ୍ଟାନ୍ସ ସେମାନେ ପିଲାଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଦରକାର ପଡୁଛି ସେମାନେ କରୁଛନ୍ତି। ଆଉ ସବୁଠାରୁ ଗୋଟେ ଆମ ପାଇଁ ବହୁତ ଭଲ ପ୍ଲସ ପଏଣ୍ଟ ଯେ ଆଗରୁ ବି କେସ୍ ହଉଥିଲା, ଲୋକମାନେ କିନ୍ତୁ ରିପୋର୍ଟିଂ କରୁନଥିଲେ। ସେଇଟା ଆମେ ସମସ୍ତେ ନିଜକୁ ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ ଦେବା କଥା, ବା ଆମେ ସମସ୍ତେ ଧନ୍ୟବାଦର ପାତ୍ର जे रिपोर्टिंग रो हार बढ़ी कारण लोक मैंने कोउंटा कोउंटा आवर हेइचंती जे जहा द्वारा कि से थाना को जाउछंती गोटे केस देबा पई बा पिलाटा को नेगिरी ताको स्कूल ले केनते एडमिशन करिवे बा चाइल्ड मैरेज टाको रोकिया पई माने पिला माने भी निजे निजे फोन करके जणाउछंती सेट पई आमे समस्त धन्यवाद रो पात्र आमे आमे माने समस्त खाली कहचे पिला को शिखेबा किंतु पिला थरो भी हमको तीनटा जिंस शिखियार अछि गोटे होची लिव गोटे होची लव आ गोटे होची लाफ तीनटा एक पिला शिक्षार आवश्यकता अच्छी लिव जे लाइफ टाको केमते बंची परिबा कारण पिला माने केबे भी निज भितर द्वंद्व न करिकरी प्रतियोगिता न करिकरी लाइफ टाको भरपूर एंजॉय करंती जेतै बड़ लोक माने हमें एटा निहाती शिक्षा दरकार लव केमिति पिला माने अन्य मानक गोटे अपरिचित लोकन को भल पाई जांती जल्दी सेटा भी जानिया दरकार ताकर शिक्षा दरकार आ गोटे जे लाभ सब बेले जते भी जते मुश्किल जते प्रॉब्लम्स आसिले भी से माने सब हसु थांती बा सब किछि यूनिक करिए के चेष्टा करंतु आ मु भाबुची मोर इंस्पिरेशनल जदी मते पत्रा जे तमे तमे कहा द्वारा इंस्पायर होचो काम करिया पे मु त ऑब्वियसली कहबी पिला मानक पई ही मु आज इंस्पायर हेची कारण मते प्रति मुहूर्त रे किछि ना किछि नुवा से माने शिखिया के चेष्टा करचंती धन्यवाद आ विशेष किछि कहि परिबी नाही थैंक्स टू प्रीतिकांत एंड थैंक्स टू द टोटल टीम धन्यवाद
Pritikant sir, go ahead with your earlier the plan inviting people.
Thank you, Madam Kara, for explaining and for our greeting for best wishes to the DCPOs. And our DCPOs are working effortlessly and like at the community level and intervening the cases and attending every child, it is very much important. So the culture also very differs from the one part to another part. So with us, we are having Madam Mamata Mai Biswal. She is leading the District Child Protection Unit, Mayurbhanj. So Mayurbhanj has done quite well, like as you know, rehabilitation of child labor and addressing the trafficking cases, foiling child marriages, and they have also done good in some vocational rehabilitation of children. And as a big geographically and in population also, it is a big district. So how she is handling tremendously, and let me congratulate the DCPO Mayurbhanj and team. They are felicitated this year by the State Commission for Protection of Child Rights as a best performing unit. So Madam Mamata, over to you.
Thank you. First of all, I will congratulate all who are present here and also connected. Today is the World Children's Day. Actually, I'll be like to talk in Odia because of so many friends here who are connected. Our CCI members and other members who are present here will be love to listen in Odia, and so that's why. प्रथमे मु धन्यवाद दउची जे मु देखि पारुचे एठी मझिरे मु टिके कलेक्टर सर डाकिले मु पढैतिली जाओ हरि भाई के देखि पारुचे हरि भाई का स्पीच सुनि पारलिनी इज वेरी गुड इन चाइल्ड राइट्स एक्टिविटीज आ एठी मते अनेक जो हमरा थिले मैडम सीडब्ल्यूसी मैडम जो ताजपुर रो जो शेयर करउतले से ऑलरेडी कंप्लीट कर दैछन बहुत पार्ट मु सुनुतिली मु सेउडू मु टे लेफ्ट हे जाइतिली आ मु धन्यवाद देबी प्रीतिकांत सर को जे से ऑनर कॉलेज हमें काम करू एक्चुअली आज जो सब्जेक्ट थिला जे ग्राउंड जीरो चाइल्ड प्रोटेक्शन इश्यूज इन ग्राउंड जीरो एक्चुअली जदि देखिबा हमें ग्राउंड जीरो रे हमर अनेक समस्या अछि जेमति कि जदि मयूरभंज होची गोटे बड़ जिला एवं सेठी मुख्यतः पाखापाखि जदि देखिबा हमर ट्राइबल डोमिनेटेड डिस्ट्रिक्ट हिसाब रे हमर मुख्यतः एठी चाइल्ड मैरिज चाइल्ड लेबर और चाइल्ड ट्रैफिकिंग बहुत इश्यूज रही हमें सब गुड़ा को आमे ताको एड्रेस करिया माने किछि कार्यक्रम आमे जारी रखिछु समूह प्रयास दे जेमति कि हमर चाइल्ड वेलफेयर कमिटी हमर रहले हमर जो आईसीडीएस रे हमर डिफरेंट हमर स्ट्रक्चर्स अछंती एवं जुवेनाइल हमर स्पेशल जुवेनाइल पुलिस यूनिट एवं हमर डिस्ट्रिक्ट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन रो विभिन्न डिपार्टमेंट जेमति कि एजुकेशन डिपार्टमेंट हेल्थ हमर एसएसटी डेवलपमेंट डिपार्टमेंट समस्त को नेही कि हमें कन्वर्जेंटली हमें काम करिछु आपण माने समस्त जानिथिबे चाइल्ड प्रोटेक्शन गोटे एमिति इश्यू आ अनेक समय रे भी जानि पारेनी पिला को पई बोधे टिके समस्त चिंता करिला बेले बोधे टिके समस्या हुए काई ना पिलार डायरेक्ट जेतु से निजे कहि पारे नाही बा से का को बेनिफिट भी डायरेक्ट किछि देई पारे नाही अनेक समय रे ता कथा चिंता करला बेले बोधुए किछि समस्या रह जाय तथापि हमें जो चाइल्ड प्रोटेक्शन जो स्ट्रक्चर्स अछि आमे जेतेबेले हमर आईसीपीएस रो स्ट्रक्चर आसिला परे आमे निश्चित भाबरे आमे कहि पारबु दंभ सहकारे जे हम अनेक किछि परिवर्तन हेछि हमर ओसीपीसीआर हमर जे मॉनिटरिंग यूनिट राज्य स्तर रे होंदु हमर जिला स्तर रे हमर डिस्ट्रिक्ट चाइल्ड प्रोटेक्शन यूनिट चाइल्ड वेलफेयर कमिटी हमर स्पेशल जुवेनाइल पुलिस यूनिट एवं हमर राज्य रे हमर जो हमर मेन हमर स्टेट यूनिट जो एसीपीएस आमे समस्त पिलांक पई काम करूछु एवं समस्या जदि कहबा ग्राउंड जीरो रो ताले डिस्ट्रिक्ट टू डिस्ट्रिक्ट भिन्न जोडा का रायगडार चाइल्ड प्रोटेक्शन इश्यू सेडा मयूरभंज रो हेता नाही बा मयूरभंज रो जोडा चाइल्ड प्रोटेक्शन इश्यू चा हुए तो हमर कोस्टल कटक बा भुवनेश्वर रे नाही किंतु ओवरऑली जदि देखिबा आमे जो पिलांक पई काम करछे समस्तकर गोटे मेजर इश्यू जो होची जे हमर जो पिला मन को आमे डील करूछु मेजर होची पेरेंटलेस चिल्ड्रन बा अबंडन चिल्ड्रन जोथि पई कि जे एक्ट रे हमर अछि तार प्रावधान ऑलरेडी सीडब्ल्यूसी मैडम एवं ता पूर्वरु मध्य अनेक कहि सारथिबे प्रतिमा सर मध्य कहि सारछंती मु खाली हमर जो सर कहले आमे केमिति काम करूछु मु खाली फोकस करबी आज एक्चुअली हम जिल्ला रे यूएनसीआरसी वीक रो लास्ट डेट रे आमे 20 टा गांव को आमे चाइल्ड मैरिज फ्री आज डिक्लेयर करिछु जिला प्रशासन द्वारा आज करा जाईछि काना थर्ड हाईएस्ट आमे राज्य रे होछि मयूरभंज सेति पई कि आमे केमिति चाइल्ड मैरिज को प्रतिरोध करबु ता पई जिलापाल निजे इनिशिएशन नै कि आमे कार्यक्रम आरंभ करथिलु एवं आज आमे 20 टा गांव को डिक्लेयर जे करिछु सेठी मुख्यतः बेसी आमे देखिछु भूमिका सेठी पंचायत प्रतिनिधि हमर जो माने रहिले वार्ड मेंबर सरपंच ग्राउंड लेवल रे हमर जो रहउचंदी हमर अंगनवाड़ी वर्कर आशा समस्तकर कोऑर्डिनेशन एफर्ट्स रहिछि सेति पई कि जे जदि हमें चाइल्ड मैरिज को हमें देखुछु तार एते भी जदि पैंडेमिक देखिबा कोविड समय रे पैंडेमिक हेगला पर हमें देखिलु जे अनेक इश्यू आसुछि काने जेतले स्कूल बंद हेबे अछि कारण पिला मानकर मेजर होछि हमर हॉस्टल एबे क्लोज कारण एडोलेसेंट जियो जो माने एटलीस्ट हम हॉस्टल दे परिथिलु से माने वर्तमान घरे अछन एवं जेतु घरे अछंती दीर्घ 8 मास हेगलानी एवं से मानकर मैरिज रो चांसेस बहुत बढ़ी जाउछि सेति पई सही चैलेंज सिचुएशन भीतर मध्ये हम अवेयरनेस जारी रखिछु जेंति कि हमर वर्तमान जदि हम देखिबु हमर डीटीएफ डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल टास्क फोर्स कमिटी हमर फॉर्मेशन हेछि ब्लॉक लेवल टास्क फोर्स मध्ये हमर जोडा ब्लॉक लेवल चाइल्ड प्रोटेक्शन कमिटी एके हमें ब्लॉक लेवल टास्क फोर्स कमिटी रे ताको हमें रिफॉर्म करे के हमर चाइल्ड राइट्स ऊपर हमें काम आरंभ करि दैछु एवं जीटीएफ बा जीपी लेवल टास्क फोर्स कमिटी बा हमर जो जीपी लेवल चाइल्ड प्रोटेक्शन कमिटी थिला तांको द्वारा मध्ये एबे कार्यक्रम हमें ताको स्ट्रेंथन से कमिटी के करिछु तार कार्यक्रम मध्ये हमें आरंभ करूछु सेति पई कि हम आशावादी होछु निश्चित भाबरे हमें तापरे किछ काम करिवु एवं एटी हमर सबुठ बड़ कथा होछु कोऑर्डिनेशन एटी चाइल्ड प्रोटेक्शन रो जते स्ट्रक्चर हम जिल्ला रे अछि जेंति कि हमर चाइल्ड वेलफेयर कमिटी हमर जुवेनाइल जस्टिस बोर्ड डिस्ट्रिक्ट चाइल्ड प्रोटेक्शन यूनिट स्पेशल जुवेनाइल पुलिस हमर डिस्ट्रिक्ट लीगल सर्विस अथॉरिटी एवं अदर डिपार्टमेंट अलाइड डिपार्टमेंट डिस्ट्रिक्ट एजुकेशन ऑफिस हमर एससीएसटी डेवलपमेंट डिपार्टमेंट हमर समस्त सहित हमर गोटे भलो गुड कोऑर्डिनेशन अछि जा द्वारा कि खाली पिलाटा इंस्टीट्यूशन एज पर एग्जैक्ट इंस्टीट्यूशन इज द लास्ट रिसोर्ट सेति पई कि हमर किभली भाबरे हमें फैमिली स्ट्रेंथनिंग बेसिक बेसी पिला को हमें सोशल सिक्यूरिटी स्कीम रे हमें लिंकेज करेबु सेति पई कि हमें डिपार्टमेंट सो जेमति कि रूरल हाउसिंग हम अनेक पिला को हम रूरल हाउसिंग प्रोवाइड करा जाईची फीडिंग सहायता रे डीडीयू जीकोई हमर जो कार्यक्रम रहिची हम अनेक हमर जो उडा को 17 प्लस 18 पिला मानु को हमें मध्ये सेठी हमें तांको तालीम या करे कि केमिति तांको मेनस्ट्रीमिंग करैछु सेटा रहउची हमर मेजर गोटे हम ता करैछु आ गोटे हम जिला को मध्ये हमें चाइल्ड लेबर पई हम अनेक कार्यक्रम हमें जारी रखितु सेही सेम अप्रोच हमर कन्वर्जेंट अप्रोच रे हमें बहुत पिला को हमें रेस्क्यू करितु एवं जाओ किछरा कथा हमें 4 वर्ष तले जो पिला मन को रेस्क्यू करितु ता भितर पाखा बाकी 23 जन पिला हमर मैट्रिक पास करि सारलेनी एवं ता भितर हमर पाखा बाकी 7 जन पिला ऑलरेडी एंगेज डिफरेंट जगह रे मध्ये एंगेज दे सारलेनी सेति पई कि हमर चाइल्ड मैरिज हो चाइल्ड लेबर हो बा चाइल्ड ट्रैफिकिंग हो हमें विभिन्न कार्यक्रम हमें समस्तकर मिलित प्रयास रे हमें जारी रखिछु एवं हमर मुख्यतः हमें फोकस करूछु जो कमिटी सब अछि से केमते स्ट्रेंथन हे परिबो चैलेंज तो अनेक अछि कारण जेमति मु मूलरू कहउतली जेतु चाइल्ड रहउचंती ता पे अनेक चैलेंज अछि किंतु समस्त बे प्राय आगे आसिलेनी पिला मानन पई काम करिया पई सेति पई कि हमें चेष्टा करूछु कि भली भाबरे चाइल्ड प्रोटेक्शन मेकानिज्म की हमें ग्रासरूट लेवल रे स्ट्रेंथन करिवु सेति पई कि हमर कार्यक्रम जारी रखिछि मु धन्यवाद देबी जे जेहेतु भी खूब कम समय रे हमें सूचना पाइथिलु आज एक्चुअली पूरा दिन तमाम हमर अनेक गुडे कार्यक्रम रहिछि एवं केते दूर मु बहुत शॉर्ट पीरियड भितरे मु जानिनी केते दूर हमर ए प्रोग्राम को मु मोर जस्टिफाई करि परिछि मु जानिनी किंतु हमर एठी जो देखुछि एठी डिग्निटरीज माने अछंती मोर अनेक बंधु मते एठी जड़ित अछंती हमर अदर जिल्ला रो डीसीपीओ अछंती हमर सीडब्ल्यूसी रो मेंबर आउ चेयरपर्सन माने मध्ये अछंती हमर स्टेट रो प्रेसिडेंट सर अछंती आ समान निश्चित भाबरे आउरी एनलाइट करिवे एंटायर टीम की आउ मु सेति पई समस्त को धन्यवाद दउछि आउ मोर जो सीमित रहिछि वक्तव्य एठी मु समाप्त करूछि आउ थरे समस्त को शुभेच्छा आज वर्ल्ड चिल्ड्रंस डे रे धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Mamata ma'am from Mayurbhanj. And am I audible to you?
Yes, yes.
Sir, thank you so much for making it in the last minute because there is a lot of activity happening today everywhere. So we are grateful that we could make some carve out some time and come online to share your ideas. ଆପଣ ଯାହା ଯାହା କରିଛନ୍ତି ତାହା ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଭାବରେ ପ୍ରଶଂସନୀୟ ଏବଂ ସେଇ ପରିସ୍ଥିତିରେ ସେଇ ସ୍ଥିତିରେ ରହି ପିଲାମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ କାମ କରିବା it is not an easy task. So I will not be able to translate everything that you have said, but the summary is that there are collaborative agencies. It is a collaborative work, and it requires a lot of effort on the part of people like you and coordination from the state level. So, and you have also identified how it is different from other places, and all places may not be similar. The approach may not be similar. So, you are also customizing your approach to child protection to depending on the local situation that is there. So, and you are doing a very good work. You have been recognized by Collector Sir for your exceptional achievements. And I request Pritikant Panda sir, if I missed something, please add something to that.
I also explained that there, of course, there are challenges, but they are taking it positive, facing it. And the major role they are doing is coordinating with all structures and making it feasible for every child to get their rights. So DCPU is coordinating it and trying to activate all structures at a time.
Right, right. Excellent, excellent. So,
yeah,
all our DCPUs, if they can speak for 5-6 minutes, so that we will get more people. So we have time till 5:30. If we 5:30, which is around 40 minutes now.
Yeah,
we can go a little bit 10 minutes, 5 minutes ahead as well. No problem.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, friends, it is my pleasure to explain that recently state government has notified a new guideline named the State Aftercare Guideline. So this aftercare guideline is meant for children, those who are leaving or going to leave childcare institution attending the age of 18. So after that, what happens? So what to do? How they will struggle in the society and how they will mainstream themselves. Because in institutional care facilities, they live a very scheduled life. So they may not be counting the money, bargaining with the shops, and maintaining an independent life and competing with us who are outside. So there is a very specific guideline and we are going to implementing it. In advance, DCPOs also at their level, they have implemented some good practices. So Puri is one of the example where many children or young adults from the childcare institutions are admitted in like polytechnics and engineering colleges, ITIs. So Puri DCPO led it. Besides that, also he is doing some other activities under the act and the scheme. So it is my pleasure to invite Mr. Manoj Kumar Tripathi, District Child Protection Officer Puri, and who is leading the team. So Mr. Tripathi, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Over to you, please.
आयोजकों को नमस्कार एवं आमर स्टेट प्रोग्राम मैनेजर प्रीतिकांत सर अछंती सामने मध्य कमलाकांत सर अछंती डॉक्टर कमलाकांत सर जे कि बहुत शॉर्ट पीरियड भितर एक कार्यक्रम को हाथ को नहीं चंती एवं हरिहर नायक ऑनरेबल एक्स मेंबर ओसीपीसीआर एवं अनेक डिग्निटरीज माने अछंती मु जानेबा पई चाहूची कि पूरी आमे समस्त जानिचे एटा गोटे पिलिग्रिमेज प्लेसेस और एटा गोटे इंटरनेशनली फेमस टूरिस्ट प्लेसेस एंड इट इज आल्सो ए लास्ट टर्मिनल ऑफ द ट्रेन रूट ताकू आखि आगे रखिला बेलकू आमे हमर एठी स्पेसिफिकेशंस होची आमे प्रत्येक डे एंड रे प्रत्येक मंथ एंड रे आमे अनेक गुडिए रनअवे चाइल्ड को आमे रिसीव करूची खाली रनअवे चाइल्ड रिसीव करने मिसिंग चाइल्ड को रिसीव करचे खाली मिसिंग चाइल्ड को भी रिसीव करने अनेक गुडिए एल्डर पीपल्स को मध्य पूरी रिसीव करूचंती कारण समस्तकर गोटे अट्रैक्शंस अछि मंदिर पाखी तेणु मंदिर पाखरे बेगिंग करिवे मंदिर पाखरे खाइबा को पाइ जिवे एई ये नै कि तो जते गुडिए पिला आसुचंती तो आमे सबु पिला मानकू आम पे गोटे बड़ टास्क हो जाए कि गवर्नमेंट रो कोऑपरेशन रे आम डिस्ट्रिक्ट रे प्रतिकांत सर हरि सर आगुरा कहि सारी चंती आम पाखरे जहा जहा ओडिसा पायनियर स्टेट हिसाब रे जहा जहा मेकानिज्म अछि पूरी डिस्ट्रिक्ट रे ए सब मेकानिज्म अछि ताकू नै कि हमर गोटे गुड कोऑपरेशन भितरे चाइल्ड लाइन एवं ओपन शेल्टर रेलवे चाइल्ड लाइन डीसीपीयू एसजेपीयू ए समस्तंकर कोऑपरेशन भितरे आमे इमीडिएटली गोटे शॉर्ट पीरियड भितरे आमे प्रोग्रामेटिक प्लान तयारी करिकरी आमे से मिसिंग चिल्ड्रंस मानको सेमानकर डेस्टिनेशन रे पहुंचीबा पे चेष्टा करथौ जोटे कि हम पे गोटे बहुत बड़ टॉप जॉब हेताय एवं जो बड़ लोक माने आसी थांती हम रिसेंटली टिके कहबा पे चाहूची मु तो निश्चित भाव रे हायर पिलाकर जो पॉलिटिकल स्टडीज कहबी किंतु आमर एठी पुरी डिस्ट्रिक्ट रे जो कम जगह रे गुडे लोक रुहंती एवं मंदिर जो अट्रैक्शन ता चारिपट रे इंटरनेशनल व्यूअर्स मानकर जो गोटे विजन थिला जो गोटे दृष्टि भंगी थिला कि पुरी रे अनेक गुडे बेगर्स को देखिया को मिले अनेक गुडे डेस्टिट्यूट को देखिया को मिले रिसेंटली आमे स्टेट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन एवं डिस्ट्रिक्ट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन सहयोग रे हम डिस्ट्रिक्ट रे अनेक गुड़िए बेगर्स होम तैयारी करा जायछि जहा द्वारा कोन होइछि ना अनेक गुड़िए बेगर्स को आमे स्ट्रीट रु आमे नेकरी शेल्टरिंग करिछु जहा द्वारा सेमानक सहित थिबा पिला माने आमे समस्त जानिछि कि चाइल्ड प्रोटेक्शन सिस्टम रे पिलाटे जते बेले नीड एंड केयर रो प्रोटेक्शन रो आवश्यकता करछि सेते बेले ता सहित ता फैमिली बैकग्राउंड निश्चित भाव रे बहुत पछरे अछि तणकरी आमे ता फैमिली बैकग्राउंड ताकू ही बाध्य करौछि से सिस्टम भितरे रहिबा पई कि ताकू केयर एंड प्रोटेक्शन दबा पई कि तणकरी से परिस्थिति रे आमे फैमिली रु से जो फैमिली लोक मानकू आमे शेल्टरिंग रो प्रोविजन करछु एवं तांको सहित पिला मानकू नैकरी चाइल्ड केयर इंस्टीट्यूशन मानकरे रखुछु आज डेट रे आमे कहि परबे कि वर्ष तळु पुरी रे कोनोसी गोटिए बेगर्स आ नांती बा स्ट्रीट ओरिएंटेड रे जो गोटे फेस वैल्यू पुरी रो मलिन होइतला कि आमे पिला मानकू स्ट्रीट रे देखुतले बड़ बड़ लोक मानकू स्ट्रीट रे देखुतले से बड़ी भित्तिभूमि आज डेट रे नाही तनकरी आमे बेगर्स मानकू हटेई सारिछु एवं जहा द्वारा कि आमे पिला मानकू आउ बेगिंग रे आमे अनेक परिमाण रे पाउ नाहु एवं रिसेंटली आउ गोटे जिनिस होइछि जोटा कि किछि डेस्टिट्यूट मदर्स होतले डिवोर्सी मदर्स होतले विडो मदर्स होतले जो मानकू कर पिला मानकू की दरकार पड़े कि इमीडिएटली तांकू चाइल्ड केयर प्रोटेक्शन सिस्टम भितर को आनिबा तो सेथि पय कि पूरी डिस्ट्रिक्ट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन रो गोटे मेजर प्रोजेक्ट हाथ को निया जायछि वर्ष तळु मिशन मा माध्यम रे हमें पूरी डिस्ट्रिक्ट रो अराउंड 7500 गोटे टार्गेट रखा जायछि जो डेस्टिट्यूट मदर्स जो मानकर 17 वर्ष रु कम सब पिला माने अछंती सेमानक सहित मां मानकर रिहैबिलिटेशन प्रोग्राम को हाथ को निया जायछि जा द्वारा कि हमें एन्श्योर करि पारिछु पिला मानकू तांको फैमिली भितर रखिछु एवं डिस्ट्रिक्ट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन सहयोग रे सेमानकू फाइनेंशियल सपोर्ट दिया जायछि सेमानकू लिंकेजेस दिया जायछि सेमानकू सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप रे शामिल करा जायछि सेमानकू किछि लाइवलीहुड प्रोजेक्ट करबा पय कि सेमानकू स्कोप दिया जायछि एवं एथि सहित हमर जोटा सार कहउथिले कि पुरी रे आमे विगत दिन रु बहुत आगुआ जेजेक्ट रो रूल भितर तला कि जे कोनसी जिल्लार पिला माने जे कोनसी जिल्ला रे रहि पड़ुथिले तो से बेसिस रे पुरी जिल्ला रे बाहर जिल्लार अनेक गुडिए पिला आसिक रहउथिले किंतु लास्ट 4-5 इयर्स भितरे आमे गोटे डी इंस्टीट्यूशन रो प्रोसेस क्रिएट करिकरी पिला मानकू काउंटर पार्ट डिस्ट्रिक्ट मानक सहित लियासनिंग करी तमानक डिस्ट्रिक्ट को पटिया जायछि एवं मैक्सिमम क्षेत्र रे हम पिला मानकू आफ्टर मैट्रिकुलेशंस आफ्टर +2 सेमानकु आमे तांको जिला मानकु पठैछु जोटा कि प्रतिकांत सर कहउतले कि रिसेंटली एई वर्ष 56 नंबर्स ऑफ चिल्ड्रन जो माने मैट्रिक क्लियर करथिले सेमानक भितरु पाखा पाखी 20 जन पिला आउट ऑफ डिस्ट्रिक्ट रो थिले सेमानकु आमे तांको जिला को पठैछु एवं आमो जिल्ला रु सेमानकु पॉलिटेक्निक सेमानकु आईटीआई सेमानकर एप्लीकेशंस +2 आर्ट्स स्ट्रीम सेमानकर एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया को भित्ति करी आमे सेमानकु एडमिशन प्रोसेस को एना इंटैक्ट करै कि आमे सेमानक तांको जिल्ला को पठैछु एवं आमो जिल्ला रे आमे पाखा पाखी 36 जन पिलांकु आमे ए वर्ष एडमिशन देइछु सती मध्यरु 12 जन पिलांकु पॉलिटेक्निक कॉलेज रे आमे डिप्लोमा एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन देइछु जोटा कि इक्वल टू +2 साइंस एवं 8 जन पिलांकु आमे आईटीआई एडमिशन देइछु एवं किछि पिलांकु +2 कॉमर्स रे एडमिशन पाइछंती जण दि जण पिला +2 साइंस रे एडमिशन पाइछंती एवं बाकी सब पिला आर्ट्स रे एडमिशन पाइछंती एबळी कि अनेक किछि पिला जो मानकर सेमानकर एम्पावरमेंट कैपेसिटी को लक्ष्य करके जेमती जो पिलाडी पाखरे किछि हौ नाही एवं से ग्रामीण कैटेगरी ग्रामीण फैमिली रो पिला बिलोंग्स टू ग्रामीण सेमान को वेद कर्मकांड बलिया जोटा कि लाइवलीहुड स्कीम भीतर से काली सकाळ जाई करी सेटु पास आउट हेकरी निजको से रोजगारक्षम करई परिवो से बली स्कीम्स भीतर मध्ये हमें पिला मानन को इंप्लीमेंट करिछु प्रतिकांत सर
थैंक यू so Puri they are doing all the activities as prescribed and they are also taking initiatives. So we are with us Mr. Romeo Mahapatra from Devagad. So DCP Devagad, are you there?
Yes sir.
Yeah. So Devagad is one small district but they are taking big steps like massive campaign eliminate child marriage. And they have done child-friendly spaces initiative also. So we are having.
It's not audible.
To Devagad.
It's not audible, sir.
Okay, let me repeat. Let me introduce Mr. Romeo Mahapatra, the DCPO Devagad. So they have taken initiatives for to make campaign to for ending child marriage, and they are also taking initiatives to make child-friendly spaces. So I'd like to invite him to explain about their activities. Over to DCPO.
Thank you, sir. Before 2 years, we have started a initiative with title Child Friendly Panchayat. Child Friendly Panchayat जो प्रत्येक पंचायत को चाइल्ड फ्रेंडली करिया पे गोटे इनिशिएटिव आला जे विशेष करी नॉन इंस्टीट्यूशनल केयर को प्रमोट करिया पे सीसीआई रे जो अछि चाइल्ड केयर इंस्टीट्यूशन रे रहबा बदल रे पिला माने जेमति विलेज लेवल रे विभिन्न स्कीम सहित लिंक हेकी से माने रही परिबे एवं द पंचायत हैव द रिस्पांसिबिलिटी टू टेक केयर ऑफ द चिल्ड्रंस तो से प्रोसेस रे चाइल्ड फ्रेंडली पंचायत पई आमे कैंपेन आरंभ करितलु एवं चेष्टा कलु जे पंचायत लेवल रे जो इंस्टीट्यूशनल सेटअप अछि से सेटअप केंति फॉर्म करू एवं सेटा स्ट्रेंथन करू सेति पई आमे चेष्टा करछु जे पंचायत लेवल चाइल्ड प्रोटेक्शन कमिटी सब गठन कराइछि एवं विलेज लेवल मध्ये चाइल्ड प्रोटेक्शन कमिटी रे आम प्रोसेस रे अछि सब जगह कराउछि ताकू छाडी देले हमर चाइल्ड फ्रेंडली पुलिस स्टेशन मध्ये एठी इनिशिएटिव निया जाइछि एवं गोटे बेस्ट प्रैक्टिसेस हला जे प्रत्येक वर्ष चिल्ड्रंस डे विभिन्न अनुष्ठान विभिन्न सीसीआई रे तो पालन सब आडे हुए विभिन्न स्कूल रे हुए किंतु देवगढ़ जिल्ला रे प्रत्येक थाना रे पुलिस डिपार्टमेंट से माने पिलान को डाकिगिरी थाना परिसर मध्य रे चिल्ड्रंस डे पालन करंती जोटा कि गोटे बेस्ट प्रैक्टिसेस भीतर हमें नौचु विगत 3 वर्ष हलानी पुलिस डिपार्टमेंट तरफ से इनिशिएटिव निया होची से माने चिल्ड्रंस डे दिन ताको थाना को से माने बैलून एवं फूल रे डेकोरेट करंती एवं पिला को इनवाइट करंती सेही दिन पिला माने फ्रीली थाना रे बुली बुली थाना रो प्रत्येक कार्यकलाप को बुझंती एवं हाजर देखंती हैंडकप कोन देखंती प्रत्येक जिंस जो को प्रोसेस रे एफआईआर दिया जिवो पुलिस को सहित से माने जोड़ी की तांको सहित से माने आलोचना मध्ये करंती तार मुख्य उद्देश्य हला जे पिला मान को प्रति पिला मान को मन रे जो पुलिस मान को प्रति जो भय अछि से भयटा दूर करबा एवं द्वितीय जिंस हला जे पुलिस माने बुझंतु शिशु किए एवं शिशु मानकर मन भितर कौन अच्छी पुलिस को प्रति तो शिशु और पुलिस भितर जो व्यवधान अच्छी ताको मिनिमाइज करिया पई ए प्रोसेस कराई प्रत्येक वर्ष प्रत्येक थाना रे एसपी कर सहयोग रे पुलिस स्टेशन परिसर मध्य चिल्ड्रेन्स डे पालन करा जाए तो से भितर वर्तमान प्रत्येक वर्ष सेटा पालन करा होची हम देवगढ़ रे मात्र 3टा सीसीआई अछि तेणुकरी आम इंस्टीट्यूशनल केयर अपेक्षा नॉन इंस्टीट्यूशनल केयर को विशेष गुरुत्व दौचु जमती पिला माने गाँव रे ही सबू स्कीम सहित लिंक हुंतु एवं गाँव रे निज परिवार भितर निजर एक्सटेंडेड फैमिली भितर रहंतु सीसीआई को न आसंतु तो सही इनिशिएटिव आम नहींचु एवं नॉन इंस्टीट्यूशनल बेस्ड केयर को फैमिली बेस्ड केयर को विशेष आम ध्यान देइचु एवं चेष्टा करिचु ताको प्रमोट करिया पय एवं वर्तमान चाइल्ड फ्रेंडली चाइल्ड मैरिज फ्री विलेज जोरदार कैंपेन चली इनिशिएटिव होती गोटे चाइल्ड मैरिज फ्री विलेज डिक्लेयर हो सारी एवं 60टा गाँ वर्तमान प्रोसेस रे अच्छी विदिन 15 डेज से सब डिक्लेयर हेबो चाइल्ड मैरिज फ्री विलेज भाव एवं एटा एमती नुहे जे राताराती से डिक्लेयर जीवो तार गोटे पैरामीटर्स रखाई पैरामीटर्स भितर 4टा पॉइंट आम देखुचु जे से गाँ रे विलेज लेवल टास्क फोर्स से फॉर्मेशन करथिबे से गाँ रे जो टास्क फोर्स अच्छी पाखरे गाँव में केते एडोलसेंट पिला अछंती पुओ झियो तार डाटाबेस पाखरे उपलब्ध थिबा कथा एवं से गाँव मैक्सिमम मिनिमम एबो 50% लोक चाइल्ड मैरिज प्रोविजन एक्ट विषय पाखरे धारणा थिबो एवं ताकू छाड़ी देले सेमानक पाखरे गोटे इंस्टीट्यूशनल सेटअप थी मध्य गोटे गाँव में कौटी से ऑफिस टे करेंगे कि टास्क फोर्स मीटिंग बसिया कोठ घर कि विलेज क्लब हाउस गोटे स्पेस से करेंगे निजर बसिया तो यही सब छोट छोट पैरामीटर्स देखिकी आम चाइल्ड मैरिज फ्री गाँ डिक्लेयर करुचु एवं विगत गोटे वर्ष मध्य से कौन चाइल्ड मैरिज है नथिबो एटा गोटे पैरामीटर रखा होची पंचायत लेवल रु से सब रिप्रेजेंटेशन आसीबो ब्लॉक टास्क फोर्स को एवं ब्लॉक तरफ से वेरीफाई करके डिस्ट्रिक्ट टास्क फोर्स को पठाजिवो जोटी की डिस्ट्रिक्ट कलेक्टर ताको फाइनली से डिक्लेयर करबे विथ ग्रांट ऑफ सर्टिफिकेशंस तो ए छोटो डिस्ट्रिक्ट रे हम एटा ही चेष्टा करजु आ विशेष किछि आम पाखरे एठी इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर अभाव अछि एवं पिला मानकर जो आफ्टर केयर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन नाही तो सी धरणर जो माने पास आउट अछंती पिला माने ताको लिंकेज करिया पय बड़े बड़े समस्या हुए आमे नेबरिंग डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऊपर डिपेंड करू स्पेशल स्कूल मध्ये एठी नाही नेबरिंग डिस्ट्रिक्ट को आमे पिला पठौ जो माने भिन्नक्षम पिला अछंती तो एथिकी धन्यवाद हेलो
थैंक यू मिस्टर महापात्र
थैंक यू सर
he explained that though it is a small district, they are taking initiatives to implement all the prescribed provisions under the juvenile justice and other acts protecting children. She explained that they have taken initiatives to prepare child marriage free villages. So there are some checkpoints like child marriages should not be happened in that village for a particular period. And there should be certification from the Panchayat Raj institution representatives and the officials. They are also taking initiatives for developing the quality of standards of care in the child care institutions. And as because they have very less number of institutions in the districts, they are depending on the other districts for placing children in need, children in special need, and the other circumstances. And they are also on a process for developing child-friendly spaces in the district. Thank you. So let us go to some other DCPOs. So those who are interested can raise their hands also, so that we can listen to other DCPOs. We are having with us DCPO Nabrangpur, Mr. Suresh Patnaik. So Nabrangpur is a district which is in the border area of the state, sharing border with the Chhattisgarh, and there are childcare institutions. And state government has taken many initiatives for protecting children in the childcare institutions also. So I would like to request Mr. Patnaik to explain about the security measures taken in childcare institutions and how children's committees are formulated, and the home management committees are happening, meetings are happening, and how inspection is done. Mr. Suresh Patnaik, DCPO Nabarangpur. DCPO Nabarangpur. हाँ, DCPO Nabarangpur. ଆପଣ ଶୁଣି ପାରୁଛନ୍ତି? हेलो ओके के अन्य के डीसीपीओ इंटरेस्टेड अछंती प्लीज डीसीपीओ रायगड़ा Professor Das, I think we should conclude the program. Hello.
Hello, Pratikant sir, am I audible to you?
Yeah, I think we should conclude it.
Okay, okay.
Please.
So, is there any technical lag or sound problem?
No issue. Actually, others are not interested to speak, I think.
Okay, no problem. So, anyone else, any questions, anything anyone to ask? I have some little bit of the query with you. So, if you are willing,
please put some questions so that I will clarify and that it will be for the betterment of the this house also.
Okay, right. So, we have already completed 30 years of CRC, and Odisha is a pioneering state. Am I audible?
Excuse me?
Yeah.
Sir, the program is totally not audible to anyone, I think.
Can you hear me?
Pratikant is well audible, no problem. If anybody is not listening, there might be some problem with them, because I am very much audible to Pratikant, Mr. Das, and the
speaker. Yeah.
Okay. So, Pratikant sir, if my question is audible to you.
Yeah. Very nicely audible, please.
Yeah. So, and Odisha is a leading state. And there is a government structure which works. Government has an elaborate structure, as you mentioned clearly, elaborate and completing structure to facilitate all the 4 buckets of child rights. So, child protection is a very kind of policing work, involved. And I have 2-3 related questions to that. One, when you stop child marriages, this in some societies, some communities, this is also they take it personally and saying that one, the child will not get another bride or groom. That is one. That will not get a groom. That's second. And second, in the financial when a financial emergency situation like COVID, this might have increased as well. So how do you manage? One is educating parents, people and stakeholders, and second, also taking action against someone who violates the rule, both families and there are community leaders. How do you manage that sensitive situation?
Yes. So in the past decade, I will take it around 8 to 10 years, we have made a sense in the community so that it is there, it will benefit them if they don't marry their children in the minor age. So I think we are able to make them sensible towards this subject. Yes, of course, when we intervene, they questioned us that it is not happening in our society, it is normal. So elder, they will come, they will tell that I got married during this period, he got married also, she is rich, he's a politician, others also, they did also. So it is quite normal. So why we are making an obstacle in our system? So we faced many difficulties, and it is not possible to do it through the police or through the court. So after that, we got the lesson from the field, and we also failed during our earlier interventions in the field. So some people, they will tell, okay, you go, marriage is spoiled. but in the night they will solemnize. So many of such cases happened. So after that, what we did multiple interventions, like meeting with community leaders, meeting with caste panchayat system leaders, and we did campaign through the religious institutions where solemnization happens. So multiple interventions were happened, and besides, side by side, we did the legal procedure also. So we have those child marriage provision officers, those who are CDPO of ICDS program. So in very few cases, injunction order were passed, and police cases were filed. Media also engaged in this, so that people will get the threat. So numbers of intervention happened, and the reporting of the cases also rised. So day by day, and we are getting good result. And another question you asked about the what about the rehabilitation of the children, because they face the social loss, the financial loss, many things. They lose their respect in the society. If police comes, someone comes and foil their marriage, and the dream of the child or unhuman being, those who are going to marry, of course they must have dream. Okay, so in these cases, earlier people were asking, so you foil the marriage, and what is about her future, so you take care of them. So we did not have any too much option. So nowadays we have child welfare committees, and as per the Juvenile Justice Act, these children, those who are prone to child marriage, those who are victim of these child marriage incidents, they are also treated as children in need of care and protection. So we have example, in many cases, we have also kept children in childcare institutions, and after that they made their career and they are doing their job. So there we have multiple options. And in some cases, we are compelling the parent to keep children with them also, because children have their rights. They have some parental rights also, parental duties and responsibilities they have to carry out. So we have human resource, we have infrastructure, and we have structures, and we have the wholeheartedly willing power to work for them. So through this we are doing. And the last question was about the COVID situation. So we did a study. So during the same period, during last year, the difference is only 2. And it is not rising in the case of Odisha. We did a particular study, and the number I am not explaining here, but only 2 differences. The figure is 0.2 only.
Okay, so that is encouraging. I think legal literacy and health literacy are also equally important part of deciding the marriageable age and other things as well. So do you include also in capacity development of parents, in especially in the areas where child marriage is little numerically more or have been more in the past because of certain traditions?
See, we are engaging the ASHA workers and Anganwadi workers. They are the check the system at the community level. So we are doing regular intervention through them. At block level, we are making conference of ASHA workers and Anganwadi workers. And the district level also, we are coordinating with the National Health Mission activists and these ICDS functionaries. So we are working in close coordination. The work of DCPU is making coordination among all to facilitate the facilities and programs to reach the children.
Right. COVID time, it would have been a little difficult because physical movement is impossible, has become little near impossible.
At every district, we have a resource directory, and we have contact number of all structures in the district. So we utilized that one.
Right. So, and another question is that, like I talked about elaborate structure, complementing structure. What role do you think educational institutions, teachers, and community elders, and maybe religious leaders, and for example, all the people who have retired, professionals who have retired, and they have a little bit of duty to society, they can do a little bit there, and other institutions like businesses and industry and corporates as well. What role do you see beyond the government? How they can complement and supplement to the child rights, all the 4 buckets, but especially focusing on child protection? And what can they do? And what if beyond government, there are few organizations who do certain CSR for children, but we don't see a lot of movement there. So how do you see, and what can be done from non-governmental sectors, industry sectors, and education institutions to mainstream child protection or mainstream child discourse, about children, so that it should be, everything should be children centric?
Yes, yes. So let me explain this child protection activity. It is not only government sole government centric program. So it is a government and civil society partnership initiative. The intention is like that. And I am happy to explain that we have 240 childcare institutions, and out of that only 10 is managed by the government, and the 230 are managed by the child care, the NGOs itself. So there are big NGOs and small NGOs. We have a provision of Adopt a Home program. Adopt a Home program. Home means the children's home, the childcare institution. So in many districts, we have connected the industries to sponsor or to adopt a childcare institution. In that case, they get the recognition from the government and the appreciation and the support for a noble cause. Okay, like in ONGUL, NALCO is supporting someone, or IFCO is supporting some organization in Paradeep. Of course, I admit that we need to do more work in this sector. So educational institution plays a big role in child protection. Like if one child is enrolled in one school, then child is getting physical protection for a particular time frame. They are getting food, they are getting learning, and they are also getting dress and other equipments under the Samagra Shiksha program. So that also we are coordinating with the government organizations. And the religious institutions, no, we do not have any particular religious tie-up, but if they are following our the guidelines, and if they follow our the government structure and the law of the land, they are also welcome to support children. But in condition that they have to follow our standards of care guidelines. And about the industry and other agencies, day by day, by the interest of collectors at the district level, they are also supporting the childcare institutions and particular children from the district mineral foundation and other CSR activities. So, but there is a scope. Recently, we have framed a guideline so that we'll connect with particular industries to mentor children and young adults, those who can be placed in job also. So there is a scope.
Last one or two questions. This question has come from Sri Sri University students.
Yeah.
The question is that what role do you think media plays, media or films and cinema, television, like the they call it popular media, plays in creating consciousness about child protection, child rights? That is one question. Second question has come from Sri Sri University also, that how do you see the literature about children? For example, Shishu Sahitya ଆମେ ଯାକୁ ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ କହୁଛୁ.
Yes.
How children on literature, literature on children have been actually talking about these complex issues which are challenging at times or inspiring at times.
Yes.
So looking at those kinds of reflection, one media, another literature.
So media plays a big role, I admit, of course, in two ways. One is entertaining children, and or giving message, social message, or giving message for change. And another is media playing a role for community catalyzation or community awareness, community sensitization. For example, if one child marriage is filed in at one village, so if media highlights it, so the impacts it will impact in all over the state. Or if language is multilingual, then it will impact in other places. Many cases, media also supported us for the mass movement. Media includes the print, the television, and the social media also. And another is about the children's literature. And children's literature is moreover in Odia, it is joy centric. Like for the joyness of children, or for learning some poetries are there. Problem things they do not address, because always we think that problem is the thinking and the problem is the intellectual stuff. So they play a very less role in it. Of course, we have initiated for making libraries institutions. We are providing books for them, and it is not quite encouraging the practices. And very few institutions, they have started also their in-house magazine and creating literary sense among them. but in essay writing or elocution and other activities, our children are doing good.
Right.
And let me explain here also, there is a national level event. This year it is not happening. So every year at national level, it is named Hausla. And in Hausla, we organize literary and athletic competitions. So children from all childcare institutions, those who are children in need of care and protection and in conflict with law, they participate in district level event, then state level, then national level. And Odisha is the national champion consecutively for 2 times. Okay. Honorable Chief Minister also felicitated all these children through cash prize and other activities. And for sports activities also, we are encouraging our children. We are taking them to Kalinga Stadium to watch international matches and to interact with the players and celebrities also. So we are trying to make the sports spirit among them also.
Right. So thank you so much for sparing your time on a very busy day. And thank you, Pritikant Panda. Thank you, Harihar Naik. Thank you, Mandakini ma'am. Thank you to all DCPOs and who participated today. We learned a lot about what is happening on the ground. Pritikant Panda sir also gave a beautiful narration of the structure of the organization, the bureaucracy, the complementarity that exists, and also some of the questions were related to whether industry is playing any role. He also clarified those doubts that yes, NGOs, civil society organizations are also playing equally important role, and more definitely is expected out of everyone, because children are our future. So normally we say it takes a village to raise a child. And also we say the child is the future of the man, or father of the man. So in that way, or mother of the man or woman. So it's kind of, they are the people whom we can go back to learn about life. As Mandakini madam said, like live, love, and laugh. You can learn all of that from them. So Pritikant Panda sir, a heartfelt thanks from on behalf of MP sir's office. MP sir Sujit Kumar conceptualized this idea to connect to everyone in the segment of children who are working tirelessly in different capacities, in different far-flung areas, different challenges they are facing. So thank you for bringing so many of your colleagues from the district level and encouraging all of them to share a little bit of work, because they are doing so much work. Some of them are shy in speaking in English, and definitely we'll have an ODIA specific session and would like to know what is happening, what are the challenges, and how MP office can facilitate and help in whatever way, in knowledge, in network, in partnership. And we are developing national level partnership and global partnership on children as well. And you are aware, Pritikant sir, that Kalinga Kusum Foundation in collaboration with UNICEF has done some interesting work. And so we want to carry that forward. Thank you so much. And on behalf of MP sir's office, on behalf of on behalf of University, on behalf of Xavier University, and we say thank you to all of you. Thank you, Harihar sir, for joining at a very short notice. And it was a pleasure to have you all. Thank you so much for a fruitful, insightful discussion on child protection in Odisha, stories from the ground.